Hi everyone, welcome back to Paintastic Arts, and in today's video let's make 3D daisies on canvas. So first up, let's take a canvas and add some black acrylic color. I'm going to take a flat brush and color black color all over it. Then take olive green color and paint some leaves. Then draw some daisies with the help of white color since the backdrop is black. Now let's paint some of the daisies in white. And the few of them that are right in the center of the canvas, I'm going to do embroidery, for which I would need just white and yellow thread. These are woolen threads. Pull the needle from the back, right from the center, and thereby at the end of the petal. Do this twice per petal to make it look a little thicker. And keep making all the petals like this. Then, with the help of French knot technique, create a knot at the center of the flower. Once this is done, add more green leaves and some stems, and your 3D embroidery painting is now ready. And now you can decorate your space with this beautiful 3D daisy painting. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe me for more such creative videos. Thank you.